The 2015 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles and it's priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, front air conditioning, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.